on standard form. Question 2 says a sheet of mathematical book is 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeter thick. How many sheets make A pile 19.8 centimeter thick and B a stack 49.984 centimeter high? So what we are going to do is, if this is a sheet, let's take this to be a sheet of it, and they said a sheet, the thickness of it. Let me draw this to be the thickness of it. If this is how thick it is, they are telling us that the thickness, which is this, is said to be how many millimeter? 4.4. So if this is 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeter thick, how many sheets make a pile 19.8 millimeter thick? So if you are going to pile it up to something like this, now they're asking us how many of this quantity will make it up to 19 point, the question says 19.8 centimeter. So what I'm going to do is to divide 19.8 centimeter by 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So this is equal to, we'll say, let the number of sheets be x, so that x now is said to be equal to 19.8 centimeters divided by 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeters. So we are going to convert from centimeters to millimeters so that they will be of equal value, and then we'll divide. So how many centimeters, how many millimeter make 1 centimeter? We have it at 10 millimeter make 1 centimeter. So I'm going to multiply this by 10 to convert it from centimeters to millimeters, so that x is equal to 198 divided by 44 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeters. So this is now said to be in millimeters. So this is 4.4. X is equal to 198 divided by 44 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. When you divide 198 by 44, what will you get? This is equal to 4.5 times 10 raised to the power of, this is times 10 raised to the power of 0. 0 minus minus 4 gives us plus 4, and our answer is plus 4. So we are going to have 4.5 times 10 raised to the power of 4 number of sheets to give us a thickness of 19.8 centimeters. B, we are asked how many sheets makes a stack 49.984 centimeter high. So it is same explanation as this, but now it's going to be 49.984 centimeter high. So I'll say let the number of sheets be equals to y, and then we shall divide 49.984 by 44 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3. So this is equal to, we'll say, let the number, this is B, let the number of sheets be y, so that y is equal to 49.984 centimeters divided by 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeter. We'll also convert this from centimeters to millimeters by multiplying what you have in centimeters by 10, or you divide what you have in millimeter by 10, you convert it to centimeters. So y is equal to 49.984 centimeters times 10 divided by 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeters. When you do this, it converts it to millimeters, so that our y is equal to 499.84 millimeter, all divided by 4.4 times 10 raised to the power of minus 3 millimeter. Millimeter will cancel millimeter, so our answer will be in quantity. Y is equal to 49984 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 divided by 44 times 10 raised to the power of minus 4. So that y is equal to 1136 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 plus 4, because this is minus 2 minus 4. Y is equal to 1136 times 10 raised to the power of minus 2 plus 4. Y is equal to 1136 times 10 raised to the power of 2. Expressing this in standard form, you have it that y is equal to 1.136 times 10 raised to the power of, I have moved the decimal point 3 times to my left, so I'm going to add 3 to this, times 10 raised to the power of 5. So this is the quantity of sheets that will make a stack of 49.984 centimeter high. Kindly like my videos as you watch, while I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so. Also turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. You can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand, while I recommend that you share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take more exercises.